Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in GK video. And children, this is my second video of this week. And in this video, children, once again I am going to start the new chapter, chapter 41. And in this chapter, children, you all are going to learn by the help of asking questions. Yes, and the pattern of the question is here. Tick the correct answers. Yes, which is the correct option, you all have to tick. Okay, and by this way you all will learn the different type of things. Okay, it means you all are going to know about the information by the help of tick the correct answer. So let's start. Like first one is here. Question is here. The Taj Mahal is at what? Agra or Delhi? What will you say? Yes, the Taj Mahal of Agra. The Taj Mahal of Agra is one of the seven wonder of the world. So what will you say? The Taj Mahal is at Agra. And also children, it is made of white marble, and also it was built by the Shah Jahan. And about these pictures, children, this is a picture of Lotus Temple and India Gate. Lotus Temple and India Gate is in Delhi. Okay. So now next one is here. Next picture is here. The place where fish are kept called aquarium or zoo. What will you say? What do you know about the aquarium, children? Yes, aquarium is a place where fish are kept. Okay. So what will you take? Yes, aquarium. Spelling of aquarium is here. AQUARIUM. And also children, about the aquariums, teach kids about the nature and caring. What about the nature and caring for one helps them learn responsibility. And about the zoo, children, a zoo also known as zoological garden or park. It is a place where all types of animals display for the public to see. Okay, so which is the correct? Aquarium. Why? Because zoo is a place where all types of animals are displayed for public to see, but aquarium is a place where fish are kept. Okay, so aquarium is correct option. Now next one is here. Tomato is a fruit. Yes, tomato is a fruit, but it is that are considered as a vegetables. Yes, by nutritionists, botanically. Okay children, so it is a fruit but used as a vegetable. Okay children, so which is the correct? Tomato is a fruit used as a vegetable. We use in many ways the vegetables. Yes, this way it means this is the color of the what is the color of tomato is red. It is the color of red, and what we use as a salad or also sometimes used in a vegetables. Okay children, with vegetable. So which is the correct option? Vegetables. Tomato is a fruit used as a vegetable. Understood children? Now after that, what do you know about the fruits children? And now also fruits are important source of vitamin and carbohydrates. Okay children, but here is asking question. Tomato is a fruit used as a vegetable, and the color of tomato is red. It is red in color. Okay children, now next one is here. Next one is here. Which is an aeroplane? A jet or weight? But before children, you should know about that a weight. What do you know? The doctor of animals. Yes, the doctor of animals is called a veterinary doctor, or in short we say vet. But here is asking what? Here is asking here, which is an aeroplane? So what will you say? A jet. Which is the correct option? A jet. Yes, a jet aircraft is an aircraft propelled by the jet engines. Now next one is here. What do you need to fly a kite? Wind or rain? Children, do you need rain? No. Why? Because children, rain. But before, about kite. Children, kite is made of paper. They fly high in the air. Yes, they have fly in the wind at the end of long string. So children, what word do you need to fly a kite? You all need wind, not need rain. Understood, children? Okay, so you all need what? Wind to fly the kites. Now next one is here. What came first, the abacus, the calculator, or the calculator? But before, children, what do you know about the abacus, children? The abacus, it consists of a, yes, first, what came first? Yes, the abacus came first, and it is a wooden frame. It is a wooden frame, rod and beads. Each rod represent a different place value. Few years ago, children, what people use for what used as a calculator for calculating, but nowadays, children, people use calculator for calculating. So who came first? What will you say? Abacus. Yes, ABACUS. Abacus came first. Now next one is here. The gateway of India is in Delhi or Mumbai. What do you know about this? Yes, children, Gateway of India is the famous monument of Mumbai. That's why it is in Mumbai, and it was built by the it was built by the government of India. Okay. Now next one is here. The snake does not have visible tongues or ears. What will you say? Yes, the snake does not have visible ears. Yes, they does not have visible ears. So which is the correct? Ears. EARS, ears. And also, children, snake has the forked tongues by which they flick in different direction to smell their surrounding. Okay, children. So here is asking, the question is here, what? The snake does not have a visible ears. Okay. Now after that, next one is here. Which grows under the ground? The root or the stem? You can see here. Yes, the root. The root, which is the correct option. The root. And what do you know about this? Roots are the lifelines of a plant. Yes, roots are the lifelines of the plant, taking up air, water and nutrients from soil. That's why it is the lifeline of the plants, and also moving them up into the leaves. Okay, so which is the and also it grows under the ground. Only which part of the plants it grows under the ground? What you can say? Yes, the root. And about the stem, children, stem, the primary function of the stems are the support to the leaves to the conduct water and minerals. Okay, so stems, about the stems are the primary function of the stems, what? To support the leaves. Now after that, here is asking, which one is a flower? A lion or dandelion? Children, what do you know about this? This is a picture of lion, and lion is a what animal? Lion is a king of jungle. It is a wild animals. So children, it is a animals, not a flower. Here is asking which one is a flower. So what you will say? Dandelion. Dandelion is a flower, and its seeds are what? Its seeds are like a little parachutes that fly away with the wind. So which is the correct? Dandelion. Yes, dandelion. Dandelion is a flower. Okay. Now next one. So but before, so children, these are the what options. By the help of options, you all have done that. You all have revised the what? Take the correct options. I have given many information related to this topic. So children, with hope you all have understood very nicely. Now one more question you all are going to do in this class. What? You all are going to do the what? Who am I? As a who am I? You all will guess. Yes, you all will guess about this what pictures. Okay, so here is who am I. By the help of this you all will do the one more question. So let's start. Like first one is here. Say, you all will say who am I. First one is here. I am the largest animal on earth and my nose is called the trunk. What do you know about this? Yes, what you will say? Elephant. Elephant is the largest animal on land. Okay, and my nose is called the trunk. Okay, its nose is called the trunk. So what will you say? You all will say elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Yes, elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal. Now, I am park equipment, object, and children sit and swing up and down. What do you know about this equipment? Yes, seesaw is a equipment which are used to swing up and down. Okay, now next one is here. I am made of white marble and I am situated in Agra, and it was built, yes, about the Taj Mahal. So you will write here Taj Mahal. T-A-J Taj M-A-H-A-L Mahal. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Okay, it is situated in Agra and it was built by the Shah Jahan, and also it is made of white marble. Now I am eggplant. Yes, the other name of brinjal is called eggplant. So I am eggplant and I have crown on my head. You can see what you will say. It has crown on its head. That is called crown. So it is and it is in purple in color. So what you will say? Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Now come to the next. I am big ball of fire and I am so far from you. Yes, sun, and also it gives us light. Okay, so children, it is a big ball of fire and it is very far from us. So it is sun, the picture of sun. So S-U-N, sun. Now 6. I am sharp pointed object and people use me to cut fruits and vegetables. Yes children, here is the picture of knife. So knife is a sharp pointed object. It is used in kitchen and it is used to cut fruits and vegetables. So what will you say? Knife. Now next, I am used to dig the ground. What will you say? Yes, what you all will say? Spade. Spade is used to dig the ground. Now next one is here. I am the tools of carpenters and they use me to cut wood. What you will say? Handsaw. This is the picture of handsaw. H-A-N-D-S-A-W. Saw. Handsaw is the tools, carpenter's tools, and they used to cut the wood. Now next, I am the religious symbol of Hindu. Om. A-U-M. Om. Om is the symbol of Hindu. And what do you know? What Hindus go to? What temple to worship? And their holy book name is what? The Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita. Now next one, I am eating plants and I am known as the sheep of the desert. What will you say? Here you can see this is the picture of camel. Camel is known as the sheep of desert. Understood children? So, and it is plant eating animal. Now next one is here. So children, till there only. So with hope children, whatever I have explained in this video, you all have understood very nicely. So once again you all, thank you for watching this video till end. So have a good day and bye bye.